Well, welcome everybody. 2017 is going to be a year of changes, we all know that. So one of the problems is going to be, how am I accounting for my business? It was interesting, I was at Hounslow Festival of Business yesterday, and it was staggering just how many people still use a cardboard box or use an ad lister and then staple all their invoices to the ad lister to do their VAT returns and then give the whole lot to the accountant at the end of the year. Or they do it on an Excel spreadsheet. So, not surprisingly, they're not really that well in control of their business. Now, cloud accounting saves you time and money. One of the beauties is that so far as your bills are concerned, you use a little app on your mobile, and namely Receipt Bank. It photographs the bills and dumps them in your accounting package. And then they go into your package, Free Agent, Xero, QuickBooks, etc. You'll notice Sage isn't up there. The three accountants here, we all love Sage, but unfortunately it's not very good if you're going in the cloud, which is a shame. But anyway, so real-time cloud accounting. The beauty of your accounting being in the cloud is it's in real time. So you can discuss with your accountant in real time, not having him tell you what you did after you've done it, which is what tends to happen. And why? Well, that's pretty important, because you need to now work with your accountant on the here and now. Because guess what? You may have read the papers on Sunday where there is a suggestion that the quarterly tax returns won't happen or will be deferred. I actually rang HMRC R&D this week whilst I was putting this together for Richard and said, what is happening? And they said, so far as we are concerned, come April 2018, quarterly tax returns will happen. That therefore means that you are going to have to effectively prepare annual statutory accounts every 3 months. Just think of that in terms of what you've got to do. But that's the easy bit. Far worse, just stop and think about it. You are now going to have to pay it, like your VAT and your PAYE, quarterly. So let's say your year ends 31st of March. You're going to do in June your first return. You will pay for that in July. You will pay again in October for the next quarter. You will pay in December for the previous year, and you will pay again in January for that quarter. So you are now going to have to think about your cash flow, which historically, you know you've got 8 months, 9 months after the year end to find the money. Not anymore. So you're going to have to think about this, and I would suggest, therefore, you need to be talking, and there are 3 accountants here today, talk to your accountants about this and plan for this, because potentially this could be a problem. Remember, you've got Brexit, which is a big enough problem. You've got Trump, it's an unknown. You don't want to have this other problem coming and hammering you. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.